Creations Crafting on a Budget. Today's video is a 99-cent store and Dollar Tree haul. I decided to combine the two because I found some really great finds, not just crafting items, but items that I'm going to be using for Easter. I am putting a twist on Easter this year for Alli, and it is a fun twist because of an item that I found at the 99-cent store. And so I thought it would be a bit more fun for her, and this year I don't think I'm going to do a lot of candy for her because I found this item. So stay tuned for that item in this video. Other than that, I picked up some items for upcoming DIYs, some items for organizing and cleaning, and I will be doing a video on that. Places in my house that have really gotten out of control that I'm going to take you on the mission with me to clean and reorganize. And so yeah, there are a lot of items like that in this haul. And there are some really cool new finds at the Dollar Tree that I found that I'm going to be sharing with you. So let's jump into this haul. I'm gonna start off this huge haul with what I picked up from the dollar store first, and then I'll go on to the 99-cent store. I have everything laid out, and I got a lot. First thing being these pop-up stickers. I have this Autumny Harvest Fall one that I picked up that I really liked, and I think it'll go good with some kind of a fall DIY. This nature one with this cute mason jar. I just thought that this was so fun and rustic. And I think this one is out because of Valentine's Day, and I loved it with all the love and the hearts. Super stinking cute. When checking out, I also ran into these really cool stickers. They're like a metal sticker. This one has got the crowns and the Eiffel Tower. This is really cool. These butterfly ones, and I love these owl ones. These owl ones remind me of my mom. She always loved owls and eagles. These are cool. These heart ones as well, and these stars. These are really cool stickers. Not sure what I'm gonna do with any of the stickers that I pick up in these hauls, but I like to add them to my collection because at some point when I'm looking for a sticker that I wanna add to something, I go look through my collection and then I find something that I like. This was a new find for me at my Dollar Tree. These sticky note flags, these little pointers. I thought that this would be a cool addition to my organizer. For the first time, I also saw these glue dots that my Dollar Tree has never carried, and so I thought I'd try these out to see how they work. An 8-pack of binder clips. This is for an upcoming DIY. A wire wreath ring. This Valentine's Day tissue paper. This is also for an upcoming DIY that I will be doing in the next couple days. These as well are for an upcoming DIY that you are not gonna wanna miss. This is also for an upcoming DIY that I am still working out in my head and fine-tuning. I knew I was gonna need this, so I picked it up now, and I am going to work out all the kinks in this DIY and bring it to you really soon. I am excited. I have been on the lookout for more of the Bolero bath products. So far, my Dollar Tree is only carrying the bar soap. I'm not seeing any of the wipes or the oils, which is kind of a bummer. About a month ago, I hauled a bunch of the coconut milk and mango bath bars. I love this. I've been using this in my shower, and I am not one who typically uses bar soap because, fun fact, I will not share bar soap with anybody. People in my house do not share bar soap. We all have our own bar soap when we use it. Typically, I use body wash. Since Dollar Tree has been carrying the Bolero bath line, I really like a lot of them. And so I have been picking up the new scents whenever I see them. And so far, the coconut, like I said, is my favorite. So again, more Bolero bath soaps. An office stapler by Jot. Believe it or not, I will be using this in an upcoming DIY project that I'm really excited about. A plastic Valentine's container. This is what I will be packaging Alli's Valentine's Day gift in that I am so excited to give her. A roll of white Easter mesh for an upcoming DIY. These mini shells that are packaged in these glass mini corked bottles are so stinking cute. They are new to my Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them as of yet in anybody else's hauls. I could be mistaken though. Saw these, Totally loved them because Ray and Kayla's bathroom is beach themed, and I just got rid of a couple decor pieces in there. These were definitely my favorite find at the Dollar Tree this haul. I have seen these in quite a few hauls. My Dollar Tree just recently got them in, these fruit shea butter hand creams. These are just so stinking cute, and I am somehow going to incorporate this into Alli's Easter basket this year. This was another fun find. I like to look for ways to reward Alli for working hard in school and doing good in school. And so at the end of the week, when we get her yellow envelope back and I see that she's tried her hardest, she's done her best, I like to reward her with things. I thought that this book would be one of those rewards that we could add to weekly. And so it is a princess book, and it is just so fun because it kind of goes back to collecting baseball cards, only you're collecting princess cards. And each page has numbers, and I'm sure you all have seen these before. And such fun ones, you know, all the different princesses. And they have these packets, and each packet has 7 cards in it. And so I thought it would be fun that on each Friday, I could give her 1 or 2 packets to add to her book to see which stickers she gets. I've picked up a bunch more of Dollar Tree's plastic organizing bins. I am on a mission since I've done my pantry to reorganize and declutter all of the cabinets in my house. A lot of it has just kind of fallen at the wayside because I've been so busy and things have become cluttered and unorganized. And so I am bringing you all on this mission with me to declutter and reorganize all the cabinets in my house. And so these are some of the bins that I will be using to do that. I also picked up these bigger, wider bins, 3, and this larger, deeper bin. A black plastic organizing caddy. I also picked up 3 of these colored squirt bottles. This is for an upcoming video. Not gonna lie, picked up 10 of these larger squirt bottles. This is also for an upcoming video. And off of the organizing, I picked up some of these cuticle trimmers, a 20 pack of these bowl cover-ups. These are really stinking cool. You get 20 pieces, you get 5 small, 8 medium, 7 large, and for $1 and you get 20 of them, awesome find. And lastly, this might be a little hard to see, I picked up 12 of Dollar Tree's foam boards. This is also for an upcoming DIY that you are not gonna wanna miss. Let's move on to what I've picked up at the 99-cent store. At the 99-cent store, I picked up one of these soccer hover balls for $2.99. There's an as seen on TV hover ball that you can get that you can find at Walmart. You can find it at any of your local stores like Rite Aid and Walgreens. I've had one before. Alli and I use that hover ball and play soccer inside the house all the time. And a couple of my baseboards have paid for it. When I saw that this one was a soft cushion one for indoor fun, that it's not gonna beat up my baseboards, had to get it, and it lights up. So this is going to make for more fun hoverball soccer games for Alli and I for indoor fun. You'll have to stay tuned for one of those videos because she wants you guys to see us playing. This was a fantastic find and buy. This grip liner in the color of white. It is 18 inches wide by 8 feet long, and I paid $1.99 for this. That is a steal. You cannot get one this big in this size at Walmart for under $5 or $6. This find is by far my #1 favorite find from the 99-cent store. It is one of these light boxes. I found one at Walmart and picked it up for $9.99 because this is something that Kayla and I decided that we were gonna add to our videos. In the background of our videos, we were gonna use it to do shout outs to our subscribers. And how we're gonna do that is by picking a subscriber's name from the comment section of the videos. So make sure to leave a comment in the comment section of all of our videos, and you'll have to look out in each of my videos to see if your name is on this light box. It's powered by 2 AA batteries, which is amazing because the one that I bought at Walmart for $9.99 is USB powered. So it needs to be plugged in, and it only came with a 3-foot cord, which really limited where I could put the light box. I love this. It looks identical to the one that I got from Walmart. And for $3.99, you cannot beat this. I am excited, and I think that this is gonna be a super fun addition to my videos. And I think it'll be fun for you all to look in the background to see if your name is being featured in that video. The 99-cent store was a definite hit this time. When we were there, they were pulling out all of their blind bags and stocking their shelves. We couldn't believe it. They had Shopkin Happy Places, these blind bags. Typically, stuff like this at the 99-cent store is $1.99. It wasn't. These are 99 cents. These Happy Places by Shopkins go for $3.99 and up. I couldn't believe what a great find this was and what a great buy. I picked up several of these because this Easter I'm gonna be incorporating these into Alli's eggs instead of candy. I thought that that would be a fun twist instead of candy, is to put blind bags in her Easter eggs. So I think I'll give her a few pieces of candy, and all of the eggs that she hunts for will have blind bags in them. Alli loves the grocery gang. They're just these gross little creatures from the trash or moldy food. She loves these. We picked up 4 packs of those. They also had these Ugliest Pet Shops, a set of 2. Again, another fantastic find. They were stocking all of this. And I can tell you, she is gonna love having these in her Easter eggs this year. And lastly, I picked up 10 of these stackable bins that I used in my pantry makeover. I'll be using these on my mission to declutter my house. Make sure you join me for those videos. I think I have some really great ideas that I think are going to free up some space and help me keep my cabinets and drawers better organized. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this 99-cent store and Dollar Tree haul. I think I found some pretty cool things, and I wanted to get this out to you as soon as possible. So if you like anything that you saw in this haul, you can go out to either one of those stores and pick them up, and hopefully your Dollar Tree carries them. I know that a lot of you comment saying that your Dollar Trees don't carry some of the items that my Dollar Tree carries. The same goes with me. I do watch other haul videos on YouTube, and I see some items that I'm thinking, wow, I wish my Dollar Tree carried that. And for instance, like the rope. My Dollar Tree did not carry that rope for about 8 months. And I wanna say it was probably 8 months ago when that decorative nautical rope came out that everybody was going crazy over it. Just 2 weeks ago, my Dollar Tree started carrying it, and now they're keeping it in stock. And so I think it just kind of rotates, and at some point you will probably end up seeing these items. What I like to do is make a list of items that I've seen in other hauls that I want to keep my eyes open for, and I just always keep my eyes open for them whenever I make a trip to the Dollar Tree. Make sure to head on over to Alli's channel this week where you can see me pull out her second tooth. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.